Breaking news, my wonderful people. Crowd chants Peter Obi's name during APC presidential rally in Edo State. Edo na the state, no dey carry last. So this Peter Obi matter. Not be smarty they happen no, for Edo State. They say they go campaign. No. The people they turn out for am. They change am for Alhaji Atiku Peter Obi Tinubu. They change am for am. The crowd na Obi, they call the chat. If na only Edo State, 9 day, Peter Obi don't win. If na only Edo State, I know some other state is support, but just they won't let you know. If na only Edo State, say na only Edo State, Obi na winner na. If na only Edo State, or na be the state for Nigeria, they don't need to if they won't conduct election because they won't just waste the resources on a necessary thing where they must do. They don't get any other state, they just have to do it. You don't understand me, so you understand me now. Now so the matter be. Anyway, my wonderful people, you can see for yourself some of the things that are going on and why again and again we must work at it and ensure that we raise this country out of the the current issues going on. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. Crowds chant Peter Obi's name during APC presidential rally in Edo State. The ruling All Progressive Congress APC has been disgraced in Edo State during their presidential rally in the state as the crowd were chanting Obi, Obi, Obi during the rally. In the video going viral on social media, members of the APC can be seen holding the rally for the party presidential candidate Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu in the state. But the people were chanting the name of Labour Party presidential candidate Peter Obi. We can recall that Peter Obi had earlier shut down Edo State when he went to the state for presidential campaign on the 11th of November, as thousands of supporters came out to welcome him. Peter Obi seemed to be posting as a strong candidate and as a strong force for the 2023 general election, as is genuinely loved by Nigerians, especially the youth who are tired of the old ways and order and want to change from the government. The former Anambra State governor has earlier made headline when the crowd was chanting his name at the presidential campaign flag off of the People Democratic Party in Akwa Ibom State. And now in Edo State, it was not a different matter. The crowd keep on shouting Obi, and it has really stirred up a lot of different reactions as people are wondering and asking themselves what exactly is going on here. Peter Obi is just seemed like, he's really loved, whether you like it or not. You may not like it, but that's the truth. Somebody whom the people have come to love, and it's happening. It is really sincerely happening. People are working at it and are saying, well, where do we go from here, and what's happening? Peter Obi, when they were having the first issue and all that was going on, when they were having matters going on, Peter Obi, when PDP had their flag off, guess what? It was Obi that they were chanting. In fact, they were singing the song then. Obi Kerenkeke Obi. That was what they were singing then. That was the song. That was the song. And yet it was PDP flag off. Now, APC flag off in Edo State is another one. APC flag off, instead of them to, be singing maybe, because it was APC that was supposed to be doing their work, supposed to be singing for APC. It was Obi, and the crowd was enormous. It was beyond you can imagine. The crowd was humongous, and people were just chanting and shouting, and calling out for Peter Obi. And this has really sparked up a lot of reactions, and many Nigerians, a lot of people are wondering exactly, thinking of, people are, asking themselves, where do we go from here? Okay, how are we supposed to sort out this matter? What exactly is happening? Okay, what exactly is happening? So these are some of the things that are going on, and why again and again, every single one of us must ensure that we do not allow, the same thing to hold us down. Okay, so this is what it is. This is what is happening. Wake up, my people. It's the dawn of a new day. Okay, it's the dawn of a new day. It's really right happening, and the issues of what is on ground have come to show us, every single thing that is happening, every single thing that is going on. It has become, very clear, and we must know that Peter Obi is loved by the Nigerian people. In fact, a particular lady was one of those who said, "Obi, hey, you go enter our boat, you not wear life jackets. You want his future tapely." I mean, in fact, when I watched that video a number of times, I could not just stop watching it. It was just so funny. The way she said it, say, "You want his future tapely." People they look out for you. Want his future tapely, and why is all that coming up? It is because Obi is loved. Peter Obi is loved, Nigerians are tired of the old ways. They want something different. They really want something different. And if we want this difference to work, we will all have to work at it. It's not for one person. It's not for some people. It's not for some people. It's not for some people. It's for every single one of us. Arise, my people. Wake up. It's the dawn of a new day. Don't think that things will suddenly fall in place if you do nothing. When you are supposed to be voting, you refuse to vote. When you are supposed to speak out, you refuse to do anything, it will affect. So let's do it. All the issues and everything that is going on is affecting every one of us. It's affecting every single one of us. And so let's ensure that we do not allow the same thing over and over again. Okay? So it is what it is. It is what it is. Okay? So it is an honest decision, and every one of us are watching. Every one of us are beginning to see how these things are playing out. And if there's anything called change, if we're going to ensure that we do not allow the same thing again and again, that time is now. Okay? That time is now. Do not allow the same thing hold you back. These people they don't care for students. Those kind of people won't get as leaders. No, now. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can have all our latest news. God bless. Have a fantastic and a lovely day. From us is bye for now. Bye-bye.